Om Namah Shivaya.
Dreamers are the ones who can face the reality. Transformation takes time. The dream of 1857 was fulfilled in 1947. I support each and every Indian who aspire for the betterment of our nation. A very pleased morning to Honorable Principal Ma'am, respected teachers, and my dear friends. Myself Priyanshi Mohanty, and today I am here to speak on Republic Day. Today is 26th January, our Republic Day, a day fulfilled with patriotism, great affection, and respect towards our motherland India. These feelings awakes in every Indian's mind. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic. What is republic? What is the meaning of republic? The word republic is derived from the Latin word res publica, which is related to people. Republic is connected to the people. It is a system in which the country belongs to people, the government belongs to people, and the democracy is the greatest mean of restoring this kind of system. And the Sir Lincoln has explained this system in a very simple term, as the democracy is for the people, by the people, and of the people. And I am very proud to share with you all that India is the largest democracy in the world. But by only saying, can a country become republic? Of course not. For that, it needs a constitution which is made by many elected representatives. A constitution is the basic of representatives determines the distribution and the use of supreme power. The Constitution of India was passed by the Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949. And that is why 26 November is celebrated as National Constitution Day in India. But that day our constitution was just passed, not implemented. And on historic date 26 January 1950, our constitution came into effect. India, a country blessed with so many great personalities such as Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev, Swami Vivekanand, Indira Gandhi, Rani Lakshmi Bai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and many more. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar says, freedom of India is proof of one's existence. So, let's remember our royal and golden heritage and be proud that we are part of India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Have a nice day.